Hello, so we have another problem on the board. It says find this fourth derivative of this function here. So y equal to x raised to the power 5 plus 2x raised to the power 3 minus 2x raised to the power 4 minus 30. So we want to find the fourth order. So that means if you find the first derivative, you find the second derivative and the third derivative, right? It simply means differentiating up to the fourth term, like 4 times. So simply we have our solution, right? So our dy dx is equal to what? 5s raised to the power 4 plus 6s raised to the power 2 minus 8s raised to the power 3 minus 0. If you differentiate a constant, you have what? You have 0. Then the second derivative is what? The square y over dx square equal to d over dx. So differentiating this the second time, dy dx. Alright, so if we differentiate this the second time, we have that. Okay, let me write it out. D over dx. Let's write this out. 5x power 4 plus 6x power 2 minus 8x power 3. Which is equal to, here we have what? 20. 20x power 3. Right? Here we have what? Plus 12. Plus 12x minus 24. Minus 24x power 2. Right? So the third derivative here is d power 3 y over dx power 3 is equal to d over dx. So differentiating this again. So if you differentiate this again, this our d square y, the second derivative is all of this. So we are differentiating this again, right? Which is equal to, this will give you what? 60. This will give you 60x squared. Alright? Plus 12. Plus 12 minus 40 minus 48x. So this is the third derivative. So you'll be differentiating one more time. So if you differentiate again, we have d power 4y over dx power 4 equal to d over dx d power 3 y over dx power 3. So we are differentiating this this third derivative again. So from here you have 60 watts x power 2 plus 12 minus 48x, which is equal to, this will give you what? 120x. Right, 120x plus 0. This is now a constant. It will be 0. You now have what? Minus 48. As simple as that. So the fourth derivative of this function here is what? 120x minus 48. As simple as that. So this